Yo, what's good, world? Mr. M here. Quick gold breakdown where it's Sunday pre-market. So let's dive right in. All right, so last week we played in this range, and honestly, this impulse leg that was really of interest to me. That was a lot of volume telling us that there were sellers active in the market, and once we broke this level here, notice we traded below it, came back, retested, and ripped through it. But then once that significant break of structure happened, we were never able to break above that level. That level was clearly respected here, and as you can see, we were our first retest of that area created that impulse leg down. It came back for a final retest, and you can see by these candlestick formations that the sellers were interested and took control at that point, and that's when we ripped down to break below this significant level. We revisited this level now below it three times. Here we had a major liquidity push back up to then rip back down. Now we're here, and these are my scenarios here. We could come retest this level once again and dip over into this level of demand here about 1868. If we break through, we can continue down to 1860s and then 1855, then the 1850, about 1855 to 1852 area. If that happens, we could come back into this level of demand. As you saw here last time we returned here, we had a push back up. So this could be the dip down that can give us back legs back over above the 1880 situation. If we are able to come back right during Asian session on market open, we could start trading above this level and then use it as support to then bounce back up. Same thing with here. If we look at the daily time frame and the weekly time frame, now the bears are now fully in control, and we could see a wick fill here and continue to fill this wick. But if you look over here on the weekly on the right side here, you see that it will be a straight wick fill down into the 1853s to potentially bounce back up, because the bulls still are in command on the daily time frame and on the monthly and weekly time frames. If you look at it from a holistic standpoint, this was a break structure retest of that demand level where we then rip back up. So that's what I'm looking at. Potential short-term downside to continue back up with the overall higher time frame and fundamentals of gold being bullish. But just watch price action and wait for your signals. If you're gonna go against the trend from an intraday perspective, just know what you're doing, because long term we are bullish on gold. All right, that was a market update. Please subscribe, join the free Discord, and the course will be back for sale in a few weeks. So be on the lookout for that. If you really want to get into it, contact me, and we can work out something, PayPal, Cash App, or cryptocurrency to get you in. Other than that, if you want to wait, you can wait for the site relaunch, and then you'll be able to access it that way. All right, thanks.